One used Milltronics ML1860 CNC manual lathe, built in 2015 with a total of 20 hours running time, featuring 18-inch swing over the bed, 63-inch between centers, 9 inches over the cross slide, 2.5-inch spindle bore, D16 camlock spindle mount, 5 Morse taper tailstock, speeds infinitely variable from 100 to 2600 RPM. .15 horsepower main motor, weighing 8,500 pounds, equipped with 8200B series Milltronics CNC control, 8-station rear-mounted auto turret, full enclosure complete with sliding doors. Carriage control pendant separate from saddle. Electronic hand wheel. Solid boxway construction. 10-inch easy set chuck. Steady and follow arrest. Flood coolant. Light.